Hi, welcome Loose Garden. Halloween is coming. This year, Loose Garden did something special for Halloween. Yes, we did it. I will show you and we special DIY Halloween decoration.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Before I start this show, please subscribe and thumbs up, give us thumbs up and leave some comment for us. I will show you this year our Halloween decoration, some special just for this year. Let's start it. And we still keep our gazing ball this year. You can see we put the skeleton around the gazing ball and like protect the treasure. Then actually I think this skeleton is very cute. I don't feel scared. Very cute. And some of the leftover skeleton legs because we use the body to build the arm suit. So we have a video show how to build the Greek arm and suit. We use that. So, and this year the spider. This year the spider is our spider and the skeleton is our main subject for the Halloween. So you can see spider. We bought some spider web and build it this web, and we have a spider and put on there. And also the special for this year is the light vision. You have a nighttime, we have the LED lights, we have a beautiful the night vision we will show you, and really special. For this LED lights we use around our whole yard. So we got it for the Amazon. You also can get it from, I saw the Costco has sale too. So it's very bright. It's not like the traditional lights. So very bright light. You can kind of program the different kind of type, different kind of style. So that's the special one. So we can see this is this year's the skeleton, and we have a PVC pole to hold this spider web. And the PVC pole we use this is a flat pole. We use a pulley system. You can see the pulley system. I show you. That's easy for us to manage it. You can have a pulley system on the top. You can see just like the flag pole. That's easy manage that for this year. And our original plan, we want to this spider web actually, and after the Halloween turn to Christmas tree. We will add, I think we will add more lights turn to Christmas tree is the plan for this year. And okay, and this is our DIY for this year, the spider web. And I will show you another one, and another is a wreath. My first time, actually it's my first time in the DIY do the wreath. This year I try something new. I did the wreath decoration. I had a wreath for summer. It's a hydrangea wreath. They already lost a lot of color, so I threw it away, but I keep this shape of the wreath. And I added different flower for the fall, and for the season for the harvest, and the season for the golden color, and the red, golden, and the white color is present the fall. And you also can see some of the cute, the pumpkins on there, and the sunflowers, and the mums. That's all present fall and season. So this is the first time I use a glue gun to use it. I never use it. I don't feel comfortable in the beginning, and my husband pushing me to use it. I never thought about the come out as a result is really good because easy use. some really easy use and actually pretty strong, hold pretty strong. So I think I will use it again because this is a wonderful tool for some decoration. Definitely is a good tool. You can see this decoration, this design for this wreath is a little different. We are kind of build a little kind of shape is a little different and the flower choice because our background is dark, because the background the door is dark, I want to pop out. So the reason we made this because I cannot find the full wreath can match, can show on distance from the street, because if it's too dark or on the street cannot see this wreath. So we chose some bright color can pop out for this dark background door. Thank you for your watching. I see you next video. Bye bye.